Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over how to set up your TLC Smart TV for the very first time using the best in music method in 2025. Whether your TCL runs on Roku, Google TV, or Android TV, this guide will walk you through the essential steps so you can start watching into no time. Once you unbox the TCL TV and plug it in, power it on using the remote. The first thing you'll see in the setup wizard, go ahead and choose your language. Then select your region or country. Next, connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Pick your network from the list and enter your password. A stable internet connection is important here because the TV will likely check your updates and install the latest software automatically. Now, depending on your TV operating system, you'll either sign into a Roku, Google, or Android account. If it is Roku TV, you'll be prompted to link your device by visiting the Roku website on your phone or a computer after entering a code. If it's Google TV or Android TV, just log in using your Google account right on the screen. After login, you'll be asked to choose your preference, whether you want to enable voice control, login service, and personalization. You can skip or adjust this later in settings. Then come tap an app setting. Most TCL Smart TVs will offer to install a popular apps like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus during the setup. Select the one of you want to let the TV handle the rest. Lastly, you will land on your home screen, and from here you can customize your input source, add streaming the channel, and even connect a soundbar or Bluetooth accessory if needed. Thanks for watching. This helped you set up your TCL Smart TV smoothly. Don't forget to like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Smart TV walkthroughs and setup guides. Catch you in the next video.